Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a good omelet at home. Let's start with the essentials for a perfect breakfast. The foundation of any great omelet begins with fresh ingredients. Always opt for the freshest eggs you can find. They truly make a difference in taste and texture. Also, having a good non-stick pan about 8 to 10 inches is crucial for easy handling. And remember, prep all your delicious fillings beforehand. Now let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a small bowl. The number depends on how hungry you are. Whisk them vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This aeration helps create a lighter omelet. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt and pepper for basic seasoning. It really enhances the flavor.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these omelet tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, even in the kitchen. The Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold while you cook. It's super convenient. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat until it shimmers. Pour in your whisked egg mixture, letting it set undisturbed for about 30 seconds. As the edges begin to cook, gently push them towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Repeat this a few times. Once the eggs are mostly set but still a little moist on top, it's time for your delicious fillings. Add your chosen ingredients like shredded cheese or sautéed vegetables to 1/2 of the omelet. Cook for another 30 seconds to warm the fillings through. Then, carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula and gently slide it onto a warm plate. Enjoy your perfect omelet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.